morning student. Today we study 9th standard science biology chapter 5 the fundamental unit of life. Chapter name is fundamental unit of life, the part 1 unit. So fundamental unit andre enta? What is the meaning of fundamental units of life? So you know already what is the life. If you take example as a human beings, in their life what they contain. If they take as a body of human body, if they have a 2 hands, 2 legs, hearts, respiration system, digestion systems, blood, then physical fitness, something you know already. Then this is fundamental unit. Fundamental unit means there is small unit of life. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೇಚರ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೈಸ್ how they look like, what are the structure and what their function. So we study in this chapter that. So first there is a honeycomb. It has a little components. So honeycomb nodidira, honeybee. What is mean honeybee? Honeybee jeenona. Honeycomb jeenugoodu. So honeycomb has a little components. Honeycomb ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ? So imagine this is a honeycomb. So this honeycomb has a small little components. This is one component and this is another one. Then this is small component structure. So here in 1965 Robert Hooke made a microscope. Here there is one name. What's the name? The scientist Robert Hooke. He is a scientist. He made a cell or microscope based on cell. He made up of cell. So based on the honeycomb structure. He invented the cell structure based on honeycomb because this honeycomb has a little component structure. So he imagined it. The cell is a contain also little components. So through that he discovered the cell. So in this chapter we study what is cell, what type of cells are there, and something etc. etc. So in 1965 Robert Hooke made a microscope. In ಮಾಡಿದಂತೆ Robert Hooke ಒಂದು microscope ಅನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸಿದ್ರು. In that he saw a small boxes of any substance. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ their structure is like that. You can't imagine. So I will draw some that. So small boxes. So he called that structure as a cell. So cell. So who invented cell? The cell is discovered by the Robert Hooke. When? In 1965. This is important for one more. Then later the Leeuwenhoek, he is one of the scientists. Actually microscope is invented by the Leeuwenhoek, but he made as a sample. He is a self-designed one microscope because he want to see the cells of the substance. ಆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ? ಒಂದು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ. ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ established by Leeuwenhoek. So what does it mean cell? Cell is the word, it comes from the Latin word. It's a Latin language. Cell and the Latin language. It comes from the Latin word. What is the meaning of the cell? Cell means a little room. Have you heard ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜೈಲಿನ ಸೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Why we call ಜೈಲನ್ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Because jail it contains small rooms for each person. So ಅದೇ basis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Cell means a little room. So here one structure. In country structure ಅಲ್ಲಿ some box, ಆ box ಮಧ್ಯೆ some ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ some dots. Have you seen onion? Take an onion. I will give one activity. Take onion. ಒಂದು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So peel the onion through a faucet. ಆನಿಯನ್ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ತೆಗೆದು take one peel inner side of the concave side of the onion. Onion inner concave side and inner side. ತೆಗೆದು you have to cut it small and peel it. Just our inner side na one peel na ತೆಗೆದು and take a glass slide. There is a glass slide. Microscope has a glass slide. Microscope ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ. So I will do in class. So microscope, take a glass slide, then place on onion peel. ಆ onion peel ಅನ್ನ microscope ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡಿ. Then add a 2-3 water drop. Water drop ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ. Then avoid a water bubbles. ಅದರ ಒಳಗೆ air bubbles or ನಿಲ್ಲದಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So that means they should flat. ಯಾವುದು onion peel. Then observe on a microscope. ಅದನ್ನು microscope ಅಲ್ಲಿ observe ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ? That contains this type of a cell. It's like a pink color. What's the onion color? It's a purplish pink, alva. So it shows in microscope is that color. So here there is this is a one cell, this another cell. It contains one nucleus. ಏನಿದ್ರಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ round shape nucleus ಇರ್ತದೆ. So I draw this. So this is a nucleus and cell. So this is just introduction of the life. ಯಾವುದು cell introduction. Next to study what are the structure of the cell. ಈ cell ಯಾವ ತರ structure ಅನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ? What is the structure? So you know already told in introduction. What has a Robert Hooke? He saw a cell as a small boxes or a components, right? These small components ಆಗಿ ಅವನನ್ನ ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. So he saw as a cell in a small structure. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದ್ದರಿಗೆ? It has a small structure. Then he next later the Robert Hooke ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? Each and every substance in a cell ಅನ್ನ structure ಅನ್ನ identify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. In some case it contains some organism has single cell and some other has multi cell. That means some organism contains a single cell and some organism contains a multi cell. That means the organism has only one cell. ಯಾವ organism ಗೆ one cell ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ single cell organism ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Then ಯಾವ organism multi cell, so more than one cell. But more than one cell that contain a multicellular organism. So later we study multicellular organism. What are multicellular organism? What is single cell organism? So there is a unicell. Unicell means the single cell. Ishtuntu only cell only the organism which contain only one cell. One cell ಇದನ್ನು ಎಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Unicell. And it is also called as a single cell. Example, what is this? Amoeba. Example ಯಾವುದು? Amoeba. Next another one is a multicell. Multicells ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? The organism which contain more than one cell. So more than one cell. ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸೆಲ್. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್? ಫಂಗೈ, then plant, then animal. So these three organisms are a multicell. So what is multicell? The here diagram. like one, like small rod. It has a one nucleus. So these type of cell is a smooth muscle cell. ನಮ್ಮ muscle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ cell ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Then if you see the brown circle, then it is some dots. So this is a blood cell. Then you like a branches, like 3 branches. So this is a nerve cell. And this one is a bone cell. So particular body part is particular type of the cell it is. So various kind of animals have different cells. So the shape and size of the cell depend upon the function of the cell. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು cell ನ shape ಮತ್ತು size ಯಾವುದರ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತದಂತೆ? The shape and size of the cell which depend upon the function of the cell. ಯಾವುದು function? Some smooth muscle cell. Muscles they can active, they can join or stretch, relief, or taking things, reading, writing, dancing, something, running, etc. What is the function of the blood cell? Blood cell ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? It transport the blood ಅನ್ನು transport ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, produce blood. Then nerve cell. What is it? Nerve cell. Have you seen nerve? ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ almost ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. So here it's a green or bluish color cell. There's a nerve cell. So what are the function of nerve cell? The nerve cell, it is a produce and transfer the message from brain to whole part of the body. ನಮ್ಮ brain ಇಂದ body full body ಗೆ message transport ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು? nerve cell. Then bone cell. The function of the body is a bone cell function. Bone cell ನ function ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ? The bone cell which is join the bones and it helps to sing, muscle cell, stretching, etc. So here the shape and size of the cell depends upon the function of the cell. So each cell has a specific components with it, that is called as a cell organelles. Cell organelles ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ specific components. ಈ ತರ components ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, this is cell. in the body ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ತುಂಬಾ ಸೆಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ತರ ಸೆಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ some specific components, ಈ ತರ components ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ cell organelles. Have you know about mitochondria, Golgi, then some cytoplasm. So something kind of parts or components are there in the cell. So the cell has a specific components is called as a cell organs. So which making a cell and clearing the waste. In particular cell components. So cell components ali one component is making a cell. It increase the shape and size of the cell, and another one is clearing the waste, and someone is making food for them, and some other components is converted food as energy. So each and every component has a certain function. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಸೆಲ್ಲಿನ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So it has some examples of making cell, clearing waste. I will give just example. So these are called as cell organelles. Then the together of the cell organelles constitute basic unit is called as a cell. Cell organelles in a togetherness of a constitute units. ಎಲ್ಲ cell ಇತರ ಎಲ್ಲ cell organs ಗಳು ಒಂದು together ಆಗಿ constitute unit ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಂತ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? This is called as a cell. So what did we study? First, what is cell? Who discovered cell? Cell is discovered by the Robert Hooke. How? Because based on his honeycomb structure. The structure of honeycomb is a small little component. Then what is cell? Cell is a small component structure or box like structure. Then where the word cell comes from, ಇಲ್ಲಿನ word ಯಾವ word ಇಂದ ಬಂತು? It comes from language. Which language? Latin. It comes from the Latin language, which means a ಆನಿಯನ್ ಪೀಲನ್ನು ಪೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರ ಸೆಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಸೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ and it has a nucleus and more so many cells, right? Then we studied the structure of the cell. Yav tar structure ittade already you know, box like. Then unicell and multicells. Unicell means the cell organism which contain only one cell, and multicell means the organism contain more than one cell. Alva? What is the example? Example for unicell is amoeba. Then example for the multicell is the fungi, plants, animals, etc. So next study is the different types of cells. We give just examples: bone cell, muscle cell, blood cell, etc. The shape and function of this shape and size of the cell depends upon the function of the cell. Next one, each cell has a specific components. The cellular specific components that is together is called as a cell organelles. Cell nalliva specific component and together again karitave cell components. The cell organelles. The together of cell organelles has a constituent basic unit. Cell organelles in a togetherness and constituent unit and enanta karitare. This is called as a cell. Next class we study the details of the about cell. Thank you.